Hi, I'm Liz, and I'm on the developer relations team here at Shopify. In this series, we'll be going over the essentials to get you started as a Shopify app developer. Let's start by understanding what a Shopify app is and how they can be used to solve merchants' challenges around the world. A Shopify app uses Shopify's APIs, webhooks, and platform extension points to extend and create new functionality for Shopify merchants and their customers. Shopify has millions of merchants using the platform. That's millions of different use cases and business needs. Shopify can't solve everything for everyone. That's why we empower third-party developers to create solutions for these vast needs. Imagine you're a brand new Shopify merchant and you're setting up a store that sells snowboards. You're going to want a way for customers who buy the snowboard to leave a review of just how awesome it was. The Shopify platform doesn't have the functionality for customers to leave reviews out of the box. So as a merchant, you'd head over to the Shopify App Store and investigate some apps. You then install an app on your store that matched your requirements. Your online store would now have the functionality you wanted. Customers could leave reviews. The third-party developer who built this app would have probably built a web app with UI for merchants to be able to manage which reviews would be shown. The app could interact with merchants' data through the Shopify GraphQL admin API. The reviews could be surfaced on the merchant's online store through Shopify theme app extensions, the method for apps to add content to a merchant's online store. App developers get to determine their business model. Merchants can be charged a one-time fee, recurring fee, or based off their usage of the app. We've just scratched the surface of Shopify app development. For more information, make sure to subscribe to this channel and check out our documentation over on shopify.dev. Join the conversation over on our Shopify Devs Discord server to meet fellow developers and ask questions.